Now we see here there is a X department and there is a Y department. In X department means X series should be write in vertical manner and Y should be write in horizontal manner. So one thing we have to keep in your mind, whenever you write this group, there should be keep some space and after that draw a line. Look here, I keep some space here. Okay, now the same thing we have to do for other group also. Now look here, in every group below we keep some space. Okay, the same thing we have to do for Y series here. Now here also we keep some space below every group and after that lastly write here total. Okay, totals mean frequency. The same thing we have to write here also total. I write here total F and this line should be draw up to this manner. Okay. Now in the blank tables we have to fill the common frequencies which have been given in the examples. But this figure should be right in the midst of this cell. 2, 4, 1, dash, dash. The addition of this frequency should be written here. 2 and 4, 6 plus 1, 7 should be written here, 7 total. Okay, and all this figure is given, all these figures has been given in the examples also total. If any examples not given the total, but yet we have to do addition of this frequency and write here as a total. Okay, now 3, 5, 5, 3, dash. The addition is 16 right here. After that 2, 3, 12, 3, 1. The addition is 21. Now dash 1, 3, 4, 3. Addition of this figure is 11. Here dash, dash 1, 2, again 2. The addition is 5. Now we have mentioned here the addition in vertical frequency. Also we have to make addition, summation of this frequency in which are given in, we can see here in horizontal manner. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 2, 7. Right here 7. 4, 5, 9, 12, 13. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 12, 18. 18 plus 3, 21. Plus 1, 22. 3 plus 3, 6. 10, 12. Here 3, 2, 5, 1, 6. The addition of these and addition of these should be same, which is written here, which is 60. The whole information is given for the 60 students, so this addition should be match here. Now up to what we have do, we have put whole example in as it is, which is given in example in illustrations. Now the work is start now. Firstly, in such types of example, we must understand how should we draw. We have to make a table in two-way frequency method. It should be draw as these types. Okay. Now these figures are related to X series, and regarding to X series, we have to make all the other on the basis of X series. We have to make here the other related needful series which is related to X series. Okay, means this platform is related to X series. Now this is the Y series. This is the Y series, and Y series calculations means needful series will be made in this platform. Okay. Now firstly we have to make now the for a while forget all this meets table. Okay, you have to do first, you have first and foremost you have to do up to the total, and after that you have to make here additional series regarding to X series. Okay, first and foremost you can see here the X series figures, all the measures means information is given in group, and whenever we have given the information in group, we start firstly calculating mid value. Okay, so firstly here we should be made here MV means mid value. Mid value means 20 to 30. Whatever the mid value we have to write here. This platform is related to X series. Okay, how should we calculate mid value? Mid value should be calculate L1 plus L2 divided by 2, means 20 is L1, 30 is L2. 20 plus 30 is equal to 50 divided by 2 is equal to 25. So write here MV of this group. Like this, 30 plus 40, 70 divided by 2 comes out 35. After that, 40 to 50, 90 divided by 2, 45. 50 to 60, 110 divided by 2, 55. 60 plus 70, 130 divided by 2, 65. Now see, we have calculate here MV means mid value. After that we know whenever we calculate mean median mode, then we made here MV series, DX series, DXI series. Like this we have to make here now DX series. Okay, now make here DX series. Okay, how should be made DX series? DX series should be made on the basis of MV series. Whatever the figures you must be choose from these, and you can write here. So I choose here 35 as a DX. Okay, this figure should be divided sorry, this figure should be deduct from 25. What remains? Minus 10. Here 0. 45 minus 35. 10. Here 20. Here 30. Look out here. Okay. And draw the line here. Now there is, after that dxi, we have to make here dxi series. dxi series. dxi series made on the basis of dx series. In dx series we can see here there are figures 10, 20, 30, and these figures come in the table of 10. So write here 10, and this 10 should be divided by every figure. So what remains? Minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. We know all these things, how should be made dx, and after that we have to make here f dxi series. f dxi series means f into dxi. Okay, now this is the figure of dxi and there is a f. Okay, we have to make the multiplication, whatever the answer we have to return here. 7 into minus 1, minus 7. 13 into 0, 0. 22 into 1, 22. 12 into 2, 24. 6 into 3, 18. In such way, we made f dxi series. Okay, and after that we have to make here addition here dxi and f dxi. Plus 50 minus 10, 40, sigma dx equal to here now one series will be made here again, f dxi square series. f dxi square series, and f dxi square series made on the basis of, in the beside series, in the beside two series dxi and f dxi, means f dxi square equal to dxi into f dxi, means dxi into f dxi. Okay, now there are the figures minus 1 into minus 7 plus 7, 0, 22, 48, 54, and make addition here. Sigma f dxi square equal to. Now at last we have to make here the series f dx dy series. F dx dy series. But this series is made at last. Means at last means after completing the remain work of y series. Okay. Now we have completed the work of x series. Now the same work we have to do, the same series we have to do for y series, and y series platform given here beside this series. Okay. Now I write here MV series. MV series. MV series means 20 to 30. 20 plus 30, 50 divided by 2, 25. Again 30 to 30 plus 40, 70 divided by 2, 35. Again here 40 plus 50, 90 divided by 2, 45. 50 plus 60, 110 divided by 2, 55. 60 plus 70, 130 divided by 2, 65. Now we have to make here the same thing what we have to make the series for x dx dxi f dxi f dxi square. The same things we have to do here for y series. So dy, I write here one figure of them. Suppose I write here 35. Okay, this 35 should be deduct from 25. What remains? Minus 10. Here 0, 10, 20, 30. After that, we have to make here dyi series. Again, we can see here 10, 20, 30. It's all figures come out in the table of 10. Okay. Minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. After that, we have to make here f dy I series. F dy I series. Mean dy I into f. Means dy I minus 1 into 7. Minus 7. 0 into 16, 0. 21 into 1, 21. 11 into 2, 22. 5 into 3, 15. Now, after f dy I series, we have to make here f dy I square series. F dy I squares means dy I into f dy I means 1 minus 1 into minus 7 plus 7 0 1 into 21 21 2 into 24 22 44 here 3 into 15 45. Now make the addition of dy series, f dy I series and f dy I square series. 3 2, 1, 6 minus 1, 5. Here 21, 22, 15, 58 minus 7. Sigma f d y I equal to 51. $117. After that, we have to make here the same series f dx dy. Right here also f dx dy series. F dx dy series. The both side the same series. Now up to this point, what we have do? Firstly, we make this table on the basis of given example. After that, this is X series, and related to all series have been made here in this platform. mv dx dxi f dxi f dxi square, and we have make addition here. At last f dx dy, which is remain now. After the same work for y series, we have to do here mv dy dyi f dyi f dyi square, and after that last f dx dy, which is remain. Okay, now we have to concentrate on the this mid area.